Welcome back to another video, and today I had to tell you the absolutely unbelievable story of this car and Christmas. So it turns out, and I got this text really late last night, that Santa actually ran into some sleigh issues. So he needed a replacement, and I guess the way the light reflects off the moon back down to Earth, it will actually disguise red, which is why his sleigh is red, for those of you that didn't know. So he needed a red sleigh, and obviously I'm the go-to guy because he loves cars and he's a big fan of the channel. So he calls me up last night and he's like, hey man, like I'm in a pinch, do you mind? And I'm like, whatever, like I don't have anything important to do tonight anyways. So Santa takes my car out last night and returns it trashed. I mean, it was the car was basically 100% black, not 50% black. So I was like, oh my God, Santa, like you got this beautiful car off me. You couldn't even clean it. Well, I guess the elves were sick and there's the flu going around. So I went out this morning and I thought, hey, you know what? It's Christmas morning. The car obviously has been to multiple continents and every rooftop and all this stuff. So I was like, you know what? We'll give it a quick wash. And then this morning he calls me up and he's like, hey man, I know you like to work out. Like, you mind giving me a few pointers? I guess he's gonna try to get his health in check. He's older, you know, a few thousand years old. So he thought, hey, you know what? If we're gonna keep this ball rolling and get a few thousand more years out of it, let's start getting into shape. So this essentially is the car that saved Christmas. And this morning I just went out and gave it a really quick, pretty shabby bath just because I felt so bad that it worked so hard. I mean, now she's leaking oil. Just like it's gonna be a long 2020 to get it back up to par after a night like that. So the odometer unfortunately did re-roll over a few more times, so the mileage is still around 70,000 kilometers, but it's probably like, you know, 2.whatever million and 70,000 kilometers, but that's here nor there. Sometimes you got to do it for the kids, you know. And yeah, that's it. I was going to make this huge Christmas special, but obviously the car is just cooked, is what it is. Maybe next year Santa will get me a new one, who knows. That's it. Merry Christmas from me, everybody involved in the channel, and everybody that has contributed to my year, MBRP ACS. Obviously, it's been an amazing year. We're going to keep it short. Everybody have a safe and happy holiday season. Until next time, drive safe, take care, and behave, as always.